Understanding the phrase, tread with caution. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, tread with caution. This phrase is packed with meaning and is widely used in both formal and informal contexts. Whether you're navigating new situations or making important decisions, understanding this phrase will certainly add value to your English language skills. So, let's get started and explore its meanings and uses together. Tread with caution is a phrase that advises someone to be careful and considerate about their actions or decisions. The word tread means to walk or step on something, and when combined with caution, it implies moving forward in a way that is mindful of potential risks or dangers. This phrase can be applied to a wide range of scenarios, from personal relationships and career moves to navigating unfamiliar places. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. In conversations, if you're discussing a sensitive topic, you might say, "We need to tread with caution to avoid offending anyone." When making decisions, before making a significant change in your life, like a career switch, you might be advised, tread with caution and consider all your options. In new environments, exploring a new city or country might prompt advice like, tread with caution in unfamiliar areas. These examples show the versatility of the phrase and how it can be used in various contexts to advise prudence and care. Understanding and using the phrase, tread with caution, can be incredibly beneficial. It encourages us to assess risks before taking action, consider the potential outcomes and dangers, make informed decisions, gather all necessary information to make choices that are best for you, protect relationships, be mindful of your words and actions to maintain healthy interactions with others. Treading with caution helps us navigate life's challenges more smoothly and avoid unnecessary pitfalls. We hope this exploration of the phrase, tread with caution, has been enlightening. Remember, being cautious doesn't mean living in fear. It means being aware of your surroundings and the impact of your actions. By incorporating this phrase into your English vocabulary, you can communicate more effectively and navigate life's decisions with greater confidence. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you expand your English language skills in our next video.